Hi everyone, welcome back to Jennifer's scrapbook. Hi everyone, welcome back to Jennifer's scrapbook. In my last video, I changed the cover of this scrapbook that I bought in Tiger, and today I'm gonna decor my scrapbook with the Tiger and Teddy sticker items. This is a quick decoration. Okay, these are the things that I'm using today, of course, for decoration. And let's start. Right now, I just pick maybe just butterflies. Have a look. It's so cute. Okay, I finished in the front, so now let's decor here. Okay guys, I'm finished to decor my scrapbook M&J. So it's our first letter of our name, and I hope you like my decoration of my scrapbook. And now I'm going to make a haul, a little haul of my Tiger items. Let's put it in the side. Okay, let me insert what I got in supermarket. Just little items there. Okay, I bought a marker. It's a permanent marker. 0.7 mm, the pointed. Let me try this. I just take a paper. Let's try. It's good. And I bought this 2 ball pen. It's 10 colors. And I bought this for €2. Let's try. Let's try just one. So nice. Why? Ah, okay. It's like this. So cute. Then you push it like this. Okay. Okay. Enough. So cute. And also, I bought this color pencil from Alla. See, there is also a free sharpener, 12 colored pencil. I tell you the story of this because I am not Italian, of course, and I saw inside the market that they have the promotion of this like back to school, and I asked my husband if I understand well what is written there because it's in Italian, of course. And if you spend 30 euro, you can get this colored pencil for 2 euro. But when the time that we pay our grocery there, I try to look in the receipt if we pay for 2 euro, but we spend 60 euro, no, 61 euro. So I don't know if it's like free, this colored pencil. Anyway, I just want to share to you the story of this. Okay. And now let's proceed in our tiger items. Okay, this is my bag for my flying tiger. Yes, I went in to store in Padua, close to the station, no, inside the station and in the center of Padua. So I just got a little things there. And what I got is, okay, I got 2 stickers for 1 euro, 50 cents, 50 cents. And inside of the sticker, just only one pad of sticker of letters. And then I got this pouch for 1 euro. Yes, only 1 euro. Toiletry bag. But for me, I put my pencil, etc., etc., here in the bag. This is inside of this bag, just plain. Okay, I got also this one in the center of Padua for 4 euro, 50 pieces of pens and 25 colors. Nice. Let me try again. Okay. Let's pick up some. It's like this. Let me try some and then I will show you if they're good. Of course, it's nice what I got in the tiger. Okay, because I'm studying Italian, so I don't know when can we start for our second class. So I bought a nicer case. I bought this for €1. So I have my organizer for my paper. It's cute. It's written here, if you read properly. See. Yes, draw right, doodle save. So cute, just for €1. For just €1 you have this case. And last thing that I got in Flying Tiger is this one. Is this one a frame? Yes, a frame. I got this for €1. I really like the frames because I like to put collage pictures, our pictures. Yes. And the size of this frame is this one. Okay, I just insert here. I went also in IKEA, and they have a new catalog until the last of December. And sorry about the dog, it's barking again. And you have this, you can find everything here. I have also things that I like here in IKEA. This one, but it's quite expensive for me. And also the trolley for the crafters. Yes, and I bought a lampada in IKEA. I will show you. Okay, this is what I bought in IKEA. Just for only €8. And I asked for help to my husband if, you know, if he can put it in my table. It's like this. And the light is so good. Yes, this is the light. When you open it, this, so cute. That's it, guys. I hope you like what I got in Flying Tiger Copenhagen shop and in the market, supermarket. And I hope you like what I done in the front of my scrapbook. And please wait for the walkthrough of this album, You and Me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye.